Guess what we're doing today, suckers? We're going fishing! And the goal is to catch something in this sexy thing. So, if you don't know the backstory behind this lure, here's a flashback. And guess what came in today? Some special package. With this, I shall rule the world. And now, it is time for the moment of truth and the grand finale. It is time to open the package. Give me drum roll. Dun 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 dun. I'm actually not strong.
Really, nigga?
Cause I'm done. You'll open this pouch right here. Now let's just see what is in here. Ah ha ha ha. It is a letter from Maniac Baits. It says, Maniac Baits, thank you for shopping at Maniac Baits. We hope you enjoy the designs we bring to you to help catch more fish. We greatly appreciate a hashtag on social media to help us grow. Please feel free to message us photos of your catches on our lures to get featured on our page. Any questions are needed, please feel free to contact us anytime. Best of luck in tight lines. Maniac Baits. If you guys didn't know, Maniac Baits is actually one of our cousins. At least I think so. Today's lure, or the bait he actually gave us, he didn't actually give it to us. What actually happened is we won it in a giveaway somehow. Now the moment of truth. It is this square bill crankbait colored. It's actually very nice. It's way nicer than I thought it would be. Well, this is work especially good for smallies. Probably work well for largies too even. It's probably a shallow diving one. Probably 6 to 8 feet max. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not really familiar with crankbaits. The scareballs are crankbaits. Not much of a crankbait person. But we'll see if we can catch a fish on it. Alright guys, so before we go fishing, we gotta go to Walmart and buy a net and perhaps some baits. I'll record on my phone, but I'll record in the GoPro. Hopefully my old boss doesn't stop me along the way. We'll see you inside. Alright guys, now time to show you the baits that I bought. I bought some KVD perfect plastic paddle tail stuffy right here. Yeah, that was like $5. Some gulp minnows. That was like another $4 for $5. And then some jigs with some crabs. That way I put the jigs on there for lunch. And that was about another $3. So that was about $15 in total. But then I told you guys that I bought, which is about 30 and the 15, which is 45. And then yeah, stay tuned guys, we go fishing now. So yeah, just to let you guys know, the same forest that we are going to be fishing in is the same first I did the Bigfoot video. Link to the video will be in the description below, so make sure to check it out, you know.
What? This hill's so freaking big! Oh. Huh? Is that Bigfoot over there?
For our first spot, we're gonna go fish over there with the tube quick. We're gonna set our stuff here. Hopefully no one comes and steals it. Let's walk on over. Hopefully we don't fall in or the ice doesn't break on us. It's so scary. Oh yeah, it actually broke. This stupid log is in the way. And it's kind of slippery, but we made it. Okay, we good. And if we catch them, all we gotta do is we gotta get it out here. Water's murky, so chances of actually seeing fish and stuff might be kind of low. Never hurts to try, but oh yeah!
Nope!
Ah, don't look! Stop, baby's gonna go tickle it!
A few moments later.
So, the first word that we were using was this thing, but unfortunately we didn't catch anything with it, so I guess this is trash. Guess what time it is now, baby? It's cranking time! So yeah, if we don't catch anything with this, we're just gonna move on. Maybe time to find a different spot. Because, it's a little early in the season still, water just recently melted, so... Yeah, if there's no fish, then there's just no fish, you know?
Nope!
I can't believe it gets taken on
Welcome back, guys. It's day number 2 of fishing. And guess what I just saw today? Just before, as I got into the parking lot, I saw a drug deal being done. You know, it's so obvious when people come out of one car and enter another car and then leave. It's like so obvious. We got the goods, baby.
Many hours later.
Oh, here's one. Here's a fish. Oh, it's a pike. First fish of 2021. I need that. Yeah, baby. First fish. Let's go.
Wow. First fish of 2021, baby. Oh.
For the release. Right. Time to let him go above the net. Okay, get out there. Oh, my back is killing me. Oh. Yes! Got skunked for a month straight. Finally got my own fish. Too bad it's not a smallie. It's okay. It's usually the pike that always bite first. That's how it always is. Perfect place to use the secret lure. Let's hope we don't lose it. Okay. I doubt there's anything in here, but let's try. Dang, that's a big rock. Come on, JL. Got one. Oh, it's a pike. That's a pike. Hey, first fish on the loop. First fish on the... Can you take a picture? First fish on this.
You wonder why you see no footage of releasing of the fish?
It's because we're Asian, we're taking it home to eat.
What's rule number one of being an Asian fisherman? Whenever white people ask you if you caught anything, I always say no, we got skunked. That way people don't call the DNR on you. Another thing too is people will think that the place sucks, so no one ever come and steal your spot. Can we get a fish number 2?
Nope.
Okay guys, now we go fishing at the river quick. See if we can catch any fish. If not, then we just trash, okay? See you later.
Alright guys, gonna throw it back to first. Catch anything. First fish ready? What the heck, dude? That's so fast. First cast? Dang, bruh. Oh dang, some top water. Oh, oh dang, I missed one. Bruh. Right on the drop. Pretty big. Dang, it's pretty fat. I want to take a video of it. I want to take a video of it quick.
Keith just snagged the sucker and there it goes.
Dang, there's a ton of people fishing. Oh, dang it, missed one. There we go, there's a fish. Ooh, give me that. Oh, got it. Oh yeah, man. Thanks.
First smell of the year, baby. Get out here.
Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson.
Wow,
Michael
super
Jackson.
You like what you see?
Oh man, I think we were dancing on offbeat. I guess we're gonna try this again.
Osama, 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 Osama.
Well guys, upon further review, what can I say? I'm just a pro fisherman. I'm just that good, man. You wanna know a good fishing tip from a pro like myself? Fish in water. You cast into water. You catch fish. It ain't rocket science, you idiots. And if force comes to shove, always resort to your trump card.
Mình nhổn gì nó bọc từ nâu.
But yeah, man, overall it's a pretty good day. We got about 15 fish total between me and Keith. Keith got about 10 fish. I got about 5. I got 1 smallie for 2021, and I got a fish in the special lure. So, if you don't know what we were doing during this entire fishing trip, it's no rocket science, but all you gotta really do when you're fishing out on any boat is just fish around the lake and encircle it, and you just fish shallow. You know, around this time you'd expect the fish to be hanging out around 15 to 20 feet, you know, squirting up and chasing bait fish, but this year was a little different, I guess. Somehow, for some reason, the fish were hanging out in 10 feet and 3 feet of water, all hanging out on the grass and fishing on the bait fish. We were sitting in 3 feet of water and catching them non-stop for 3 minutes. And the lure that was working really good was this jerk bait right here. All you gotta do is work it really fast like this. You know, the fish were being kind of weird. They didn't really like it going slow like a turtle. They liked it fast like a machine gun with Asians. You know what I mean? Better to be a machine gun than a shotgun. You know that one for sure. But yeah, man, as much of a pro of a fisherman I am, it really didn't make sense why the fish weren't biting any of the other lures. They weren't biting the robotic lure. They weren't biting chatterbait, jig. They weren't biting Senko. They weren't biting spinnerbait. They weren't biting crankbait. Well, they kind of did, but they didn't take it, okay? They also didn't take glide bait. And so it makes you think, do you think they would prefer banana instead? Oh, well, it is what it is, you know. This video is a little longer than I wanted it to be and expected it to be. It was like, I don't know, maybe 35, maybe 40 minutes long. Well, but it is what it is, you know. I've gotten tired of, you know, trying to take YouTube so seriously. I'm just doing it for fun now. It's a hobby. I'm at the point where I'm like, yeah, it's probably not gonna work out, so I'm just gonna screw around and have fun and work whatever job I can for the time being, because I'm broke
And I can't do anything. Well, you think I actually like fishing? Fishing is so boring. You just go and sit out there and you do nothing. What? I could probably throw a bomb in there and catch more fish than you idiot. You think you're good just because you can catch one fish off of some random lure, huh? I never wanted this life. I wanted the books. I might not be good at this kind of fishing, but I'm good at this kind of fishing, okay?
P.S. guys, please no, don't copyright me for all the copyrighted content. That's not mine, okay? I'm just trying to have some fun here. Papa Frankie would understand with all the copyright that he's done in his life, huh?